All right, all right. So there's a chance for you all to win free money. Yes, free money. Pick the token with the highest ROI this week. Right now, it is December 20th, 2020 on a Sunday. So between now and basically the next live stream, which is on Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we'll pick one winner to give $1,000. So you have to pick a project that's in the top 100 market cap, meaning that if you go to Token Metrics, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, pick a project with the top 100 market cap and tag us on Twitter at Token Metrics Inc. Then tag the project. I'm seeing lots of people who are tagging us, but not tagging the project. You have to tag the project so we know what project you're talking about, and the hashtag Token Metrics. We've also posted this tweet here, or this picture, which shows you how to qualify. But let me show you an example of what I mean, right? Omar, you have to tag the project, not the hashtag, but tag EOS. Tag EOS on Twitter and tag us, and then use the hashtag to qualify, right? Because I'm seeing lots of people who are not tagging the project, they're just using the hashtag. So make sure you tag the project to qualify. And yeah, so whoever has the best pick wins. And the tiebreaker, going back here, right? So if multiple people pick the right coin, the tiebreaker is determined by the person with the most retweets. So once you make your pick, retweet that, share that with all your friends, let them know, because if multiple people pick the same coin, the person with the most retweets wins, right? So go out there, evangelize. Let's see who's the best analyst for the next week. Let's see here. Wow, stimulus package approved. Oh, wow, that's crazy. But anyway, this is our stimulus package. So this is all kicking off the 12 days of Token Metrics. So for the next 12 days, we'll be bringing the heat, bringing the fire. We'll be bringing the moon man, right? The magical moon man. We're going to the moon. But anyway, we're kicking off 12 days of Token Metrics to start the holiday festivities. Happy holidays to everybody. Happy Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, whatever holiday you celebrate. Happy crypto holidays. Happy Moon Lambo. So first official day begins today, and we're kicking things off with giving away $1,000. So you know it's going to be fire. Stay tuned. People have been asking us for a holiday discount, and it is coming. We have listened. Lots of people loved the Black Friday 40% off discount. Unfortunately, we can't do that again. However, we'll give you a reasonable discount for the holidays. So the discount will likely be 25% off. So stay tuned. We'll be sharing the coupon code. Make sure you join our newsletter to get the coupon code. Go to tokenmetrics.com/newsletter. If for some reason you haven't yet subscribed to Token Metrics, not sure why you haven't at this point, because if you're watching the videos, it makes sense. But if you haven't yet, and or maybe you want to gift Token Metrics to a friend, to somebody who's getting into crypto, get 25% off, lifetime discount. 25% off lifetime discount. This is a rare opportunity just for the 12 days of Token Metrics. We'll be sending out the code to our newsletter. Go to tokenmetrics.com/newsletter to subscribe. Get your friends to subscribe. We're trying to make sure you start the new year off in style. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I mean, it's been great. It's been a great week, great year. Enjoying here, Austin, building out the studio. Thank you to everybody. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and go on Twitter and tell us what project you think will be the best performing project in the next week.